Hello guys, this is Asif Iqbal from AI Soft. I am located in Faisalabad in Pakistan. So today we are going to install TensorFlow Keras, OpenCV on Raspberry Pi, and I will be running my machine learning model that is detecting some damaged brushes and healthy brushes. So it is a conveyor belt project in which I am using a Raspberry Pi 5 and using camera image processing libraries, TensorFlow, Keras for the prediction. So let me show you the hardware. Okay, so this is the Raspberry Pi 5. I have also attached the screen with it. This is not related to it. This is some other project. This is a thermal printer. I am working on that. So this is the Pi adapter and this is a nano HDMI cable that I have attached. So now I show you how I have installed the libraries in it and TensorFlow Keras, how I installed that OpenCV, and let me show you the working code. Okay, so before running the code on my Raspberry Pi, I have made it run on my local laptop. So in my PC, this is the Python version that I have installed, 3.7.6. I am testing my model on here. So this is the dataset, healthy brush dataset. I have taken multiple pictures of it, and here is the unhealthy damage brush dataset. So this is on this dataset I have trained the model. This is the trained model, and this is my code that will predict in the real time. So if I open VS Code here, I open here VS Code. So this is my code. These are all the libraries that I have been using. TensorFlow and Keras are main libraries. NumPy and PySerial are the libraries because I have to send command to Arduino in the future. So these are all the libraries that I have installed on my Windows laptop, and same I will install on the Raspberry Pi. So after that, when I run it, let's first test it on the laptop. So if I run it here, so the code is running. Let's see. First of all, it will load the model here. Okay, so it is here loading the model. I press play. Next what? After that, it has taken the labels that have been taken here in the code. All the labels healthy and damage brush. After that, it is going to load a picture, my real-time picture. This is the picture that it is going to load. This is a healthy brush picture. I am going to give it up this picture, and after that it will process it, and here the model prediction will take place. If I play it, it will give the final result, and I can see the result healthy brush. If I go forward, and it will result the, it will print the, so we have got the result here, healthy brush. So it is detecting fine, and model is working fine. So I stopped this code here. I took the same code to Raspberry Pi, and I installed some libraries. Now let's see it in the Raspberry Pi. I have sent files using my WhatsApp web. uh, you can copy them from, you can say that, copy them from your USB, but I have copied them via web. So if I go here, this is my folder where I have put those same files. This is that picture file, this is the h5 file, this is the prediction real-time file. So to run this, I can't directly run it. If I just double click on it and I try to run it from here, it will give some errors. I had to create a virtual environment. So let me activate my virtual environment. So I come here, I type cd, my code. This is my folder where I have put the code. These are all my codes. So here is my virtual environment. I have to activate that. Let me open command prompt here. I have written a command here. So this is the command that I use. So I will put it here in the Raspberry Pi. So now my virtual environment is activated. If I type here pip install TensorFlow, as I have already installed, it will say that already installed. Yeah, it is saying that already installed. Similarly, pip install Keras, already satisfied. Pip install PySerial, Already satisfied. So everything is already set up. So I will run my file. This is the file, that prediction and real-time file. I will run it. I will type here Python and prediction real-time. I will press the tab and it will complete the name. So this is the file that I'm going to run, and it should give the same result. So it will load the model, successfully loaded, and this and that. It is saying healthy brush. So the code is working fine on the Raspberry Pi. So a machine learning model, H5 file, TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV, this and that, everything is set up on this Raspberry Pi. Thank you. Bye bye.